Here we go again, Kickstarter number 4. But before we get started, let's do a quick recap. Cutting a bottle is a 3-step process. You score the bottle, separate the bottle, and finish the bottle. I tackled the first step with the Kinkajou Bottle Cutter in my first Kickstarter. I then perfected the second step of separating the bottle with the Kinkajou separation ties. However, the finishing step has always been the most challenging due to the extremely sharp nature of newly separated bottles. Initially, I used sandpaper and water to smooth the edges. It worked, but it was difficult and could take over 15 minutes to finish a single bottle. To improve upon this, I developed some custom-shaped diamond pads that simplified the process and reduced the finishing time. Yet, I still believe further improvements were possible. So here it is. The Kinkajou Wet Sander. This product allows you to achieve a perfect polished edge in less than a minute. It's incredibly easy and simple to use. You start by adding water to the reservoir. Then turn on the sander. Open the valve and allow the water to flow onto the spinning disc. And start sanding. The wastewater drains into the sink during the sanding process. To get that perfect finished look, you'll want to sand the 3 edges: the flat surface, the outer edge, and the inner edge. The inner edge is the most difficult to reach, so I created some custom-shaped sanding discs to help. The sander comes with several diamond discs of different grit levels. We start with the lowest grit level and we make our way up to the highest grit level for a flawless finish. It's that simple. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the before and after. Bottles are becoming more beautiful every day and can easily be upcycled into drinking glasses, candles, and many other creative things. Does it get any better than that? I hope you'll consider backing my Kickstarter.